Local in the 8s, around 1 p.m., Blizzard of 2010 bearing.
Is in effect for our area.
Bearing down hard on the Mid-Atlantic.
Our local Doppler radar.
Just an influx of heavy snow riding over the region with the developing deep low pressure out from the sea right now. Many places are snowed in and major businesses closed Wednesday.
Today, blizzard conditions. High 30. Winds northwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For tonight, mostly cloudy and windy with snow showers. Low 23. Chance of snow 70%. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. The week ahead.
So glad you are checking in on this Wednesday as our coverage of this February fury continues.
That's right. Let's talk to Sarah Haynes from MSNBC about this storm and all of its many impacts. Hello to you, Sarah.
Hi, Betty, Kelly. Here are the latest headlines. The city of Baltimore is virtually shut down at this hour. The mayor has ordered a phase 3 state of emergency. That means everyone off the road except city-authorized crews like snowplows, police, or fire vehicles. There's an emergency snow alert for the entire state of New Jersey. People are being told to stay off the New Jersey Turnpike, where crews are seeing snow drifts of up to 3.5 feet. For the most part, people are staying home. No major accidents have been reported. Interstate 81, 83, and 78 are closed in Pennsylvania, with blizzard warnings for the entire state. And Pennsylvania officials tell us 500,000 people in the southern half of the state are without power. Of course, airports are shut down from Florida to Washington, D.C. In just the last hour, Washington
Thanks for watching.
and Dulles
Enjoy the snow.